There's nothing worse than waiting all day for a plumber that never shows up. When you need a plumber that you can rely on in the George and Mossel Bay areas, then there's only one name you need to remember. That's Everything Water. From general plumbing maintenance and water filtration systems to installing appliances, rainwater harvesting, and even gas lines. Everything Water can do it all. Call Alan today for a free quote and consultation. 071 551 2108.